Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through creating your first map with the Narwal Flow 2. If you're interested in the Flow 2, the link to it will be in the video description. We also have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop those links in the description. So we're in the Narwal app right here. We're going to enter into the Flow 2. So just tap on it, and right by default we're at this screen since we just set up the device to create our first map. It's that purple quick mapping button at the bottom. As soon as you enter into the device, it should pop up for you automatically. So go ahead, follow the prompts here. So you see these 3 prompts. So make sure you have all of the areas of your house open and ready for it. Tidy everything up, open the doors of rooms that you want to be mapped, right? You get the idea. So prep your environment and then go ahead, select that big quick mapping button down at the bottom. Are there stairs in your house? Select yes or no. And now we're going to wait as it dispatches from the station. It goes out, takes 5 or 10 minutes, creates a nice map, comes back home, recharges, then the map populates, and we can choose to edit that map, customize it, configure it, or approve it, and we'll be good to go. So now we just wait for the mapping in progress. All right, it's back at the station. It just finished mapping. It took 12 minutes to map about 500 square feet. So take a look here. Got a couple prompts on the screen, and we can also zoom in and see our map. But at this stage, what we can do now is hit that check mark. We can name it. And then once it's named, we hit the complete button right there. Now we can choose to edit later, or we can edit now. Just for fun, let's select map editing so you can see all the map editing options that we have. But I want to look at the map to make sure I'm happy with it in case we do need to edit something. Room 1 looks good. Living room looks great. Room 3 is actually a staircase, but that's fine. It can't drive down there anyways. Got the bathroom and then the other room. That looks really good to me. Nothing I want to edit at this moment, but you can see all the editing options that we have. It's super simple to create a map with the Narwal Flow 2. Just prep your environment, get the station exactly where you want it, make sure all the doors are open, no obstacles on the floor, and you'll be all set and ready to go. And really quick, I wanted to show you, if you hit that settings icon in the top right-hand corner, to the left of the X and the left of the magnifying glass, this will take us to all of our device settings where we can go down to this map management option. And now at this screen, if you wanted to create another map upstairs, downstairs, you can have 4 maps saved at one time. Just hit the plus icon in the top right hand corner and initiate a mapping only run right there, and then you could do that up to 4 times.